Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage, and then from here select the settings icon that appears on top of the screen, and then within the settings scroll down and find System, and then choose Console Information, and then from here select Reset Console. And then you have two options. You can choose to reset and remove everything on the console, or you can choose to reset and keep my games and apps. So the first one is better. It's good for if you want to sell that Xbox, you just want to sell to factory reset to wipe everything, just select reset and remove everything. And for this one, if you want to just to reset it, just to remove any temporary glitches or performance issues, then you can select reset and keep my games and apps. So that's basically it on how to reset, or rather how to factory reset your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.